Good morning, everyone. This is Sylvia W. And I'm going to be opening my convection toaster oven from Black & Decker. It was supposed to be $99 on sale at Canadian Tire, but they didn't have any at that price. But I ended up having to pay $150 for the same appliance. So like I said, I didn't get the sale price, but anyways, $150. It's a toaster oven, 6 slices. It's also an air fryer, convection oven. It's marked here: bake, air fry, broil, toast, warm, 6 slice toaster oven. It says fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 toast slices, convection technology while air frying, 60-minute timer, #1 brand in toaster ovens. So I'm going to open it up, see how this looks here. Okay, so I'm gonna open it now. Just gonna get the plastic off. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's bigger than my other toaster oven I have here. And it comes with this tray to put in the bottom, collection tray, and then there's this tray here, and here's the air fryer, and then there's a rack here. So I just put the tray in, goes like that. And here's the plug. So these are the dials, how it looks. Up to 450 broil toast. It says broil, bake, toast, air fry, warm. So this is the air fryer tray. And here's like a regular tray. Just put it like this. Let's put this in here for now. And then There's the manual. There's some recipes in there. Air fryer, air fry mesh cooking basket, rack, bake pan, drip tray, crumb tray. Okay, so when you're using the air fryer, the oil's gonna fall into here. And here's the catch tray, the crumb tray. Okay, so I'm assuming the tray goes here. Crumb tray slides in there. So that's how it looks for 150 Canadian. I like it, and I'll be able to make all sorts of stuff in there. My oven doesn't work, so I've just been using my toaster convection oven. So I like it, and it's a good brand, Black & Decker. Canadian Tire always has good brands. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.